Hi boys and girls, this is Miss Buchanan. Today we're going to be talking about red words. Remember that a red word is a word that you can't exactly sound out. There's a part to a red word that you just have to know by heart. Okay? So our first red word we're going to look at today is as. As. Count the sounds that you hear in the red word as. A. Z. I hear two sounds. Do you hear two sounds? Let's think about the first sound in the word as. Ah, ah, ah. What letter says ah, ah, ah? If you said A, then I agree with you. Now let's look at the second sound in the red word as. As, z, z. What letter says z, z, z? To me, it sounds like it should be a Z. A-Z. But that's the tricky part about red words, is there's a part that you must know by heart. It's not a Z. In fact, it is an S, and you just have to know that part by heart. So the red word as is spelled A-S.